just starting to download here, we go to share and download using the export tab, and then we download our PDF. You see that it is downloading now. Then I go, since I don't need this one again, I take it out, and then I go to my Canva. Then I click on, I go home. The first thing I want to do, this one I already did it before, but the video did not work, so I have to do it again. That's why you are seeing this one. So thereafter I go home, that is my home. Then I go to create. I am looking for create. That's so yes, I will have to delete that first one so that we don't get confused. So I'm going to create now. Yes, I go to create now, and then I pick upload file. So here I upload, then I will upload my file. And I pick what I just downloaded from Gamma, and done. So since you are going from create, all you have to do is pick that up again, pick that up. It will open as a new file entirely. It will open as a new file entirely. And voila. If you want to resize, you see that everything here is editable now. Everything here, like for every PDF, you can edit it as long as it is not compressed on Canva. You can edit your PDF on Canva. So the next thing we want to do is remove this Gamma. So we have two options. We either remove the frame or we remove this. So when you press the delete, you only have to click on this to bring that bubble out. When you, yes, so you click that to bring the bubble out. You either delete image or you delete frame. So if you delete image, it will remain mockup. You see the mockup now. Again there. You see. Now this mockup, you can decide to put in your logo, or maybe you have your name written somewhere on a platform. You can decide to put it on here, or your logo, like something designed that is peculiar to you to get customers thinking about you. So you easily come to upload. If you don't have your brand uploaded, you can. So in this brand section is where you upload your logo and everything, especially for those people using pro version. So you design, you pick up the logo. Once you click on it, it will show on your canvas, and then you just drag it inside. You see it. That's because it's too small, so you expand it and then you drag it inside, and voila, it just takes the shape immediately. So you can do that for everything. Here we are going to be seeing if what will happen if we decide to, in the second page we'll see what will happen if we decide to remove the Gamma. So you can come here, you click on it like you did the first time. Once you click on it, this white one will have, then you click on remove, then you delete frame. So when you delete frame, you delete both the image and the mockup. You understand? So you repeat it for every single image or whatever you don't need here. I wish you the best. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. Remember before we go, the upload tab is where you find your design. That is what you just uploaded. If you are looking for your just uploaded, not the one you edited, you will find it inside the design under the upload tab in the sidebar. You see it here? That's it. So this one is the one you have uploaded. You have not edited it. This one will save inside Canva itself, like inside another proof, not inside design. It will save in the tab for your project, to save in your project. This one that is already in your canvas will save in your project. And that is it. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.